going to cook a mushroom spinach carbonara with a mushroom spinach steak sandwich. So let's start. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter, and then let's saute our chopped garlic. Then add our mushroom. And then I'm going to use a Parmesan garlic sauce, a brand of buffalo. So this sauce, it's a garlicky taste and has a little spicy, but it tastes good because I tried this before and I want to try carbonara different style. So instead of Alfredo sauce, I'm using this kind of sauce. And then I'm gonna add a heavy cream and I put in a bottle of our sauce and shake it and add to our cooked sauce para hindi masayang ang remaining sauce inside the bottle. And then I'm gonna add water too kasi parang merong pang natira, and then add in our cooked sauce too.
Parmesan cheese, like a half cup.
Then we're going to add our spinach.
Then I'm using a tricolor rotini noodles. So this is called tricolor rotini noodles. And we're going to add our, this one, the rotini noodles. And this is the of a butter. Then I have a garlic, onion, and a mushroom, and also I have a marinated shredded beef stick, and of course I'm going to use spinach and parmesan. And then I have a foot-long bread. First, we're going to saute our garlic. Sorry. Let's saute our beef. Our marinated beef. So we're going to try it. This is my marinated shredded beef stick. Ayan, malambot na siya and it's already cooked. I marinated the lemon, salt, pepper, and a little brown sugar, like a teaspoon, and soy sauce. This is done. So we're going to separate. So I'm going to saute another 1 tablespoon of butter. And let's saute our mushroom. And then let's put a little pepper and Himalayan salt, a little. And then it's going to put our onion. If it's the mushroom, it's already sauce, then we are going to add our onion rings. Then I forgot to put my cream cheese. So we're going to put one cream cheese to our noodles. Even though it's too late, but it's still gonna make it and make still yummy. Ayan. And gonna be creamy because of this cream cheese. Look at that, it's more creamier. So this is done and we're ready to serve and we're ready to taste test. So I have here a foot-long bread.
We're going to put a butter in our bread and grilled into the pan. And then gonna flip it and add Parmesan cheese on the top of the bread. And then I'm gonna add also a mozzarella cheese, some more cheesy to our sandwiches.
We're going to put the fillings of our bread. So first, I'm going to put our shredded beef stick. More, and more. And then, we're going to use chopped mayo chop. This is mayo chop. So they like to use this. I'm gonna put the mayo chop before I'm going to put my vegetable. So we're gonna use a mayo chop. And then, I like to put onion and mushroom. I like to put onion and mushroom. Then of course, we're gonna put a vegetable like a spinach. There you go, guys. And this is our sandwich. Tara! The burn, but this tastes good. Look. Ooh. So this is our steak spinach sandwich. So we're going to make again because my kids, they don't like vegetable. If they want to make a vegetable, they could put vegetable that I still have mushroom and onion and spinach. I'm going to slice our bread into 3 because this is big. I can't finish this. And this is, I'm going to put in my plate. And put in the other one of that. To make a presentation for our noodles, I'm gonna put parmesan on the top. Parmesan on the top a little. And of course, we're gonna put our parsley. Tara! And this is it, our noodles.
There you go, guys, my mushroom spinach carbonara with mushroom spinach steak sandwich. Hope you like the way I cook, and if you're gonna comment to the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my lovely sister channel. And thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye. Thank you.